Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a watercolor clip art bouquet in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to create a printable in Canva and an invitation in Corjl to sell as passive income on Etsy. Today's video is part 3 of my 3-part watercolor clip art series. Use the links in the description box below or visit my channel to see part 1 and part 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a bundle of clip art pieces from the watercolor clip art that I made in part 1 and part 2 of this series. What this means is I'm going to now take a few of those separate pieces, so some of the flowers and some of the leaves, and combine them to make full flowers and a bouquet. So this would create a full clip art set to sell on Etsy. Now, of course, I could keep all of the clip art as individual pieces and sell them as is, but having the extra bouquet and a few finished flowers is going to make my clip art set more valuable when I list it to sell on Etsy. So what I do is I open up Photoshop and I'm going to open up my folder that has all of my flowers and leaves. I'm going to drag and drop some of the flowers and stems. So I place them on each other, resize and rotate, and then use Command E to merge them into one file when I'm happy with the placement. To create my bouquet, I drag and drop the flowers I want to use and arrange them in a bouquet style. So I'm going to resize and rotate some of the flowers. I'm going to make some of them bigger and some of them smaller, and then just kind of bundle them up in a placement that I like. I then am going to drag and drop the leaves underneath and then rotate and flip them so that they are sticking out in a nice way. When I like the placement of the leaves, I merge them together and then grab the eraser tool to get rid of any of the excess leaves that are peeking through the flowers. When I'm done with the bouquet layers, I merge them all together using Command E. So now I have one bouquet and 2 flowers prepared. To export them as PNGs, you can go to File, Export, and Quick Export as PNG. And then name them what you'd like and save. After they're saved, I open them up in Preview and I just drag my cursor across each of them so that I can crop them, and to crop them you can press Command K and then go to Tools, Adjust Size, and make sure the resolution is 300 dpi, and then I change the width and the height. So now I have a big set of floral pieces. I have a bouquet and leaves. Now I can sell them on Etsy as a big floral clip art bundle, or I can use them to make my own printables and products. So that is what I'm going to show you how to do next. So I'm going to just log on to my Corjl account. Corjl is an editing website. I pay monthly for it, and what it allows me to do, it allows me to create invitations and printables and link it with my Etsy account, so that when customers purchase my items on Etsy, they get this link from Corjl and they can edit the information. So it's great when making invitations because people are going to want to add their own names and dates and addresses. And so it makes the process super seamless for me. All I have to do is make the design one time, list it on my Etsy, and then whenever customers purchase it, Corjl takes care of the rest and I don't have to do anything else. It's truly passive income. So I'm going to make a quick invitation using the clip art that I've just made, so I can give you an example of what it will look like when people use the clip art made in this way. I'm gonna call it floral example card and make it 5 by 7 inches. Now it's gonna open up, and what I have to do is upload some of my clip art. So I'm going to go to the clip art that I just made and grab that bundle that I just made. Okay, so easy peasy, it is just uploaded. I'm just going to drag and drop it, and it looks great. I'm just going to drag it so that it's a bit bigger, but I don't want it to be too big. And I'm kind of thinking about what I want to say. I think I'm going to place it in the middle, and I might adjust that. And I'm just going to make a quick baby shower card. So I'm going to make an Oh Baby card. Okay, so I like the way that that looks, and then all I would have to do is download it, save it as a JPEG, make some mock-ups with it, and create a listing on Etsy. So here's an example of using the clip art that I've just made in part 1 and part 2, and now creating a really beautiful invitation with it that I can now sell on Etsy and make passive income from it. I'm going to show you an example on Canva as well, because Canva is a free option to use. I'm going to make an 8 by 10 printable that you can sell for wall art, wall prints on Etsy. I prefer to use Corjl for invites and editable things, and Canva is quick and easy to make one-off type of printables. So I'm going to go to Uploads, and I'm going to upload that same floral bundle and drag and drop it in, resize it so it's bigger. Just going to place it on the bottom and grab some text. And this one, I'm just going to make a Hello Spring. Okay, Hello Spring. And they're quick and easy. A Hello Spring printable that I can now download and sell on my Etsy as a wall printable digital download. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my watercolor clip art series. There are so many ways that you can sell your watercolor clip art to make passive income. For example, using it in a clip art bundle that you sell as is on Etsy, creating patterns with your watercolor clip art, creating digital printable invites and wall art, uploading them on POD sites and making a profit from all of the sales that are using your clip art as well. I hope that you find these tutorials useful. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out part 1 and part 2 on my YouTube channel if you haven't watched them. And remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you.